Wicked is definitely the highlight of our Singapore trip. We enjoyed every bit of the musical and it was our first ever musical experience. The performances of the cast is outstanding and phenomenal. Thank you, Klook. I'm still in awe of the show. I'm so glad that I booked this because it is really my dream to watch Wicked. The cast is amazing. The visual effects, the costumes, and of course their voices are top tier. Would want to watch this again. Though maybe Klook can have a way that we can choose our seats when booking. Mainly my reason why I came back to Singapore. I've been a super fan of the movie version and was not expecting to really like it. I cannot wait for the part 2 of the movie, so I decided to see the stage show. It was so amazing and definitely worth flying and seeing. Very easy to book and redeem. They just scanned my QR at the entrance. The show was great. Loved the set and costumes. Glinda was the definite standout. I sat in B reserve center row. You can see the whole stage/performance, but they are a bit far and you can't see their faces clearly. Amazing cast. Definitely worth the trip. Thank you for coming to see. Rainbow emoji. I got the front row seat, Emerald category, this time because I'm an ardent fan, but the second or third category seats are also good and at eye level. The Grand Circle is quite high up and far behind at the Sands Theatre, so you'll have to look down and won't be able to enjoy the actors' expressions. Very good. After pressing the purchase button and paying, an email will be sent to you. There is a code to scan when entering the hall. There is a seat number that they assign to the zone that we choose. Overall, it is very good. Came to Singapore from the Philippines to watch Wicked, and it was the best decision ever. Good view from my seat, great set design, and the entire cast is amazing and also talented. It is worth it for a hassle-free transaction, especially if you're using other methods of payment other than credit card/debit cards, however wish they had the option to be able to choose seats. Amazing musical, absolutely worth it. The entire musical lasted about 2 hours 45 minutes including intermission. Thoroughly enjoyed it and the view from the C Reserve Grand Circle was not too bad for the price paid. The show was amazing. Klook's customer service is also very nice during the purchasing of tickets. We originally bought a weekend ticket, however, they emailed us stating that the selected date was already sold out and we were given a new option. The seats I got were the closest I've been to the stage and it was so worth it. Loved the actors, the set, the costumes and basically everything. Amazing experience. Must watch. Who? Really convenient. Book it this via Klook. Would def watch out for more Broadway. Had an awesome night with this event, was so happy and my heart is full of music, love and joy. I want to watch it again. I'm glad that I can watch Wicked for the second time, a big fan of it, watched in Gershwin before. The Australian cast didn't disappoint as well. Amazing show. So happy I got to watch while I was in Singapore. The cast is amazing and the staff at the Sands Theatre were really helpful. The musical was excellent. The sound effect and performance of the actors and actresses were high standards. However, the only complaint I had were the seats at MBS Theatre. Although we bought the tickets supposedly for better view, but because the seats were not sloping up significantly, our view were blocked by taller audiences who seated right in front of us. So it was quite disappointing. The Wicked musical had a spectacular set design and voices and music were fantastic. Love the musical. It's a Broadway musical which is the best I have seen so far. Performers are wonderful.